Hello Charmer, it's time for Boxycharm. So if you want to know what I got in my May base box, keep on watching. Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Emily and I love playing with makeup and all things beauty, and I am going to unbox my Boxycharm for May. The first thing of course we see is the little card, and this month's theme is Flourish. So fitting for spring, you know, predictable, not bad. It's got all the product information on the back, and we will use that as a reference for what we get in the box. So the very first thing I see on top is a little brush set, and it appears to be eye brushes. So this is what the brush set looks like. And the pencil brush feels a little spiky on the end. The other ones feel soft. Give them a try. They've got sort of pointy ends on the other side, which I like because I use the ends of my brushes to mix foundations together. I had to do that today with the foundation I'm wearing. I had to mix in some of my Cover FX custom color drops to shade adjust a bit. So if anything, I'll use them for that. Let's read a little bit about these brushes. I like the green, by the way, too. So this is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. $30 for 5 brushes, not terrible. And this is a new launch from the brand Lavish. I've never tried any of their brushes before. I've never even heard of the brand. So we will see how this goes. Yeah, I'm a little concerned about the pencil brush. It seems a little stiff, and my lower lash line is pretty sensitive, so I don't like pencil brushes that have that sort of sharp feel to them. But we will give them a try and I will let you know if I like them. The next product to see in the box is a dry bar product. Ooh, bougie. This is Hot Toddy, a heat protectant mist. Nice pink bottle. And it is a spray that you're supposed to use before ironing. So I don't use any kind of hot tools on my hair anymore. I do, however, use a diffuser, and I do use it on high heat sometimes when I'm in a hurry to get my hair to dry. So this might come in handy to spray on before blasting my hair with the heat to protect it. And it says this is a lightweight spray that protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. Supposed to spray it on dry hair? Yeah, for use on dry hair in bold letters. So that's not really going to work for me because once my hair is dry, I don't put any additional heat on it. Interesting. I might try it on damp hair and see if it helps protect my hair. And if it doesn't, then I'll have to give it to somebody who does use a curling iron. And the MSRP on that is $27. Kind of expensive for a hair product, I must say. Next item is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This was my choice item. I did choose this. It sounded interesting, and I don't think I was that into the other choices. I've never tried a whole lot of Murad products, and I've heard good things about the products. This is the component. It just regular Murad type packaging. Even though I don't own any Murad products, I've definitely seen the packaging before, so this is standard. It does have the airless pump mechanism where you press the top and the product comes out the hole in the center. I do like that. Let's read about this guy. So detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Ooh, yeah, that's why I chose it. That sounds real good. I like that. Wow. Murad, I knew you were expensive, but this cream is $74 US. Wow. Okay, well, it better be good. It better reverse Benjamin Button my face. Yeah. I will use every last drop unless this does nasty things to my face because of how expensive it is. I definitely want to give it a try, and I could use another good nighttime moisturizer. Next item in the box is, well, I can't even read it, Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss. This is the box. So it looks to be sort of a mauve-y toned lip gloss. Just smells like ingredients. Oh, it's quite opaque. Interesting. This is the color. And the shade name is Saint Tropez. Let's try some of this on. It'll go with my look today. It's a very thin gloss. Not thick and goopy. Definitely not sticky. It feels almost like a lip oil, but thinner. Very slippy. Very opaque. Like, look at that color. That's a one swiper right there. Decent shine. I like it. It feels nice. Let's read about this. So the Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss. Get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick. With the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil, the Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free, and it is $18, so not bad. It does have a very unique feel for a gloss. It is pretty shiny, very comfortable, definitely not sticky. It's not bleeding outside of my lip lines. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. I like it so far. But I'll have to keep using it to give you a full review. But I do love how opaque it is. I like glosses that are opaque because I can just throw it on before a Zoom call or during a Zoom call and be done with it. Last item in the box is an eyeshadow palette, and it is Cab Cosmetics. Now, we did have Cab Cosmetics in our boxes last month, I believe, or maybe the month before. So this is not a totally new brand to me. And while I try and get this box open, we'll read about it. So the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has a new formula and a new sustainable packaging. With 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer and lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. Okay, so it's cardboard packaging. That's what they mean by sustainable. This is the color story right here. Definitely more on the neutral side with sort of rust colors, a little bit of purple. It looks like a definitely color story I can get down with. Let's give a few of these a swatch. First, I'm dying to swatch this purple here called Halo. Let me build that up a little more. Okay. Let's go for this shade right here in the middle. This is definitely one that I would use. It's called Dawn. Oh, wow. That definitely has more impact than that purple one, for sure. That is a beautiful color. These mattes actually have a little bit of luminosity to it. Let's go in with a basic color. See, they're hard to mess up, but you never know. We're gonna go in with this matte here called Sand. Look at that. Great pigmentation. And that's just a sort of a neutral brown color. Let's dig into some of these shimmers. I'm gonna go for this sort of pinky brownie tone here. This one's called Sunset. Those feel very creamy. This is Sunset. Oh wow, is that a duochrome? That is a duochrome. It has sort of a reddish pink with a gold flip. Look at that. It's this one right here. That is pretty. Okay, we're gonna go into this one here called Burgundy. Right down here. This is Burgundy. One swipe. Look at that. Ooh. I am excited to play with this and put this on my eyes. I've never tried Cab Cosmetics eyeshadows before, but I am excited. We're gonna try one more. I'm gonna try the purple one. This is Midnight. Ooh. Very nice. They're not sparkly shimmers, but they are impactful. They're really great pigmentation. They look like the kind of shimmers that aren't going to make your texture on your eyeballs any worse, which I love because I have older eyelids, but they are very, very pretty. Nice sheen to them. I hope the camera's picking up how pretty these are. I'm in a new situation, a new lighting. I'm not sure if it's all coming off on camera like it looks in person, but these look very beautiful. That duochrome, that was a surprise, and I'm very excited to use that one. I wonder if there are any other duochromes in here. Very excited to dig into this. So did we finish reading it? I think we did. The retail value of this palette is $52. Okay, well, I'm not sure. I can't tell you yet if it's worth $52 because I haven't put it on my eyeballs. The swatches look really, really promising. Very excited to try a new brand of eyeshadows. Cab Cosmetics. This might be a new go-to neutral for me. You never know. I will let you guys know. That is everything that I got in my box for this month. The total retail value of this month's box, of course, because there's a skincare item in there. Every time we get good skincare, it's much more. But the total retail value was $201 US, and I paid $25. I didn't pick anything up from add-ons this month because I'm moving and I didn't want to accumulate any extra crap. Also, I'm not sure when exactly our house will sell, so I didn't want to ship anything to my current address if I'm going to be using a new address soon, especially because sometimes the shipping for the add-on or pop-up items can be a little longer than, you know, normal shipping. It does take a while for this stuff to get to me, so I played it safe this month and didn't order anything. However, once I move, you know I'm going to be taking advantage of the steep discounts that you get in add-ons and pop-up, which is one of the things I love about Boxycharm. I am really happy with the items I got in my box this month. I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of this, but I will definitely try it on wet hair and see if it helps protect my hair from the blow drying, because I definitely diffuse my hair, especially going into spring and summer when it's more humid. I cannot go outside with damp hair because it will just frizz right the hell up. But I would love to try this, and hopefully it does work on damp hair. And the eye brushes I'm going to have to try out. Maybe I'll try them with this eyeshadow palette and see how they work. Good box this month. I'm very happy. And if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link below. It is not an affiliate link. I do not get a commission for it. I do get sort of charms, which are points, like a point system you can use to purchase things from their charm store. I'm not even 100% sure how to use the charms, but that's the only thing I will get for you clicking on that link and signing up for Boxycharm. It is a really great way to find new items and new companies that you never really maybe even heard of, and find some new products that become your holy grails or ride or dies. I highly recommend it. Again, it is just $25 US for the base box. They do have a premium and a luxe box version as well. Those are a little more expensive. It's about $35 for the premium box and $45 for luxe. Luxe is only 4 times a year though, so you kind of upgrade your box for that particular month. Go onto the website, look around. I've definitely found some wonderful products from Boxycharm. I've definitely found some, I've gotten Natasha Denona palettes like this one here. I got this from Boxycharm, and these are expensive. And I was able to pick this up for pretty inexpensive in the pop-up store. I've gotten 2 Natasha Denona palettes that were curated specifically for Boxycharm. So I'm a big fan. I really, really like it. If you're looking to expand or dabble into different makeup items and you don't really have a lot of makeup and you don't want to spend a lot of money experimenting, trying to find brands that work for you, I would definitely recommend it. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to join the family, please go ahead and do that now. Give this video a thumbs up if you also like Boxycharm, and I will see you guys next time. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, be healthy, and wash your damn hands. Bye.